INFOhio is a collection of premium digital content for Ohio's teachers, students, and parents. Many of our resources are not freely available on the internet. Go to www.enfohio.org. Always check to make sure you are logged in with either your school district username and password or as a statewide user. If the box in the top left corner is green, then you are logged in. If it is red, a login is required. To learn more about logging in, watch our video, Logging In to Access Digital Content from INFOhio. ISearch Mobile is the iSearch we all know and love. ISearch Mobile does everything iSearch does, including placing holds. iSearch Mobile allows students of any age to search on any device for the quality content for reading and learning anywhere, anytime. If you are on a desktop machine, you can click the accessibility icon at the top of the iSearch page to change your view. If you are on a mobile device, you will be taken straight to the iSearch Mobile page for your library. To learn more about the basics of iSearch Mobile, watch our video, iSearch Mobile Getting Started. iSearch Mobile has features that will help you refine and narrow your search for best results. In this video, we will look at 3 of those features. First is search options. Second is iSearch Mobile Advanced Search, which can be accessed by clicking or tapping search options. The third feature is filter results. Clicking or tapping search options yields this screen. From here, you can choose what collection to search from the drop-down menu in the top box. Note that if you are not logged in as your school or district, or your district doesn't use the INFOhio Library Services platform, the top option will be INFOhio eBooks and not your school library. In the bottom drop-down, select the title, author, or subject field, or choose all fields. You can then click or tap Advanced Search to narrow the search more. When a user performs a search, the results default to the My Library tab of results. Results will only come from your library collection unless you use the drop-down to choose from one of the other collections: encyclopedias, basic sources, advanced sources, STEAM, and open access. iSearch Mobile is designed to minimize the tabs you would normally see when using iSearch. INFOhio resource tabs have been contained in the drop-down that defaults to My Library. You can also use Advanced Search from the Search Options screen. Here you can choose to enter an exact phrase or even enter terms you do not want to see results for. Additional limits such as title, author, subject, format, language, and library can be entered or selected as well. Finally, choose from the available search targets. The final search feature is filter results, to narrow your search results and get more focused results. For example, limiting by published date can give you more current information about a topic. Filters within the tabbed resources in iSearch Mobile work the same way as they do in iSearch. Each tab has its own set of filters and will need to be selected for each tab if you move to a new one. Remove filters by clicking Clear All, or remove specific filters by clicking the corresponding X to the limiter. Let's apply the subject limiter to this search. Here is a closer look at the subject filter, found in the Basic Source tab. For the search Polar Bear, click or tap any of the available subjects to limit your results further to help you find the best information to meet your needs. For example, click or tap Global Warming if you're looking for results that will support your topic of the effects of climate change on polar bears.